Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an.
Superintendent of Police SP Karibay District Ugiri Prasad IPS ulapan pau kajing songo bar kajing ero ikisnong Samaria kerpang ya uwe Khynnah Skul ubalala ban pelat im ya iwe Khyllung barang syukha ya ibla suba bala syatep im da kami hakathan mawati habakran sekilar pathai kubor USP ula ong ba umla banda ai kublai pura ya ute Khynnah Skul bat kiwe ki belashim benta hakani kajing arab ka bakrau wat hapdeng kajing sngokia bat jing bam tibha la kadai ka babha ni em Henry uni Khynnah Skul ula yo I ya kajing dan kam bat ula le ya kam ka baslur da ka baplat im ya Khyllung ong USP ula benrap ru baka Tnad Pulit kan aikus nam ka bakarpang ya uwe Khynnah Skul namar kajing slur bar kajing dan kamesim jing arab jong u kabala pelat im ya kajing im jong I Khyllung hakabaya day berkadurki kabala sapriang pajba harinsan patai kubor kabala pen I ya kajing syatep im I Khyllung hakakhendau hakathan mawati USP ulapan syai ba tang shio jingtep ya katai kajing ja Tnad Pulit kalasim mador ya kisin jam pantokit ngila sedang ya kajing tokit kabating bat babnya banlap ya kajing shisha bat banle katkom ka an persya ya kibidan keti ulaong nakaliang ka Tnad Pulit kalakan tujor ya kipajba haba kilap ya kum kini kijingja kim day ban pen sapriang tang da kadurki Henry kidai ban pentep Syaki Pulit mar lala kalong ka basisha dia ka basuba kanang baki bor ki badai pej kila banle ya ka badan kam hakapor ka babiang kajingja kalapen mi halor kajing dan kam ban penklan ya kajing ya rapajba bar kajing ya trilang bar ki Pulit kanang banyada ya kajing embrio bar penpenne ya ka sungsuk sungsan haka imlang salang
recovered by the school students in Moati area. So as far the information we received from the Boy district, police have registered the case immediately, and presently the investigation is on. And as per the information that its child was newborn, and it's a girl child. And presently police is in the process of taking necessary action as per law. At the same time, we also request that since it's a little bit sensitive issue, but however the privacy of the family also should be respected. So whoever is either the victim or the perpetrator of the crime, we request that anything should be based on the facts and not based on the speculations. And police is doing enough as per law to ensure that the justice is served, even if it is a newborn baby. And only thing we request the public is that to ensure that the privacy of the concerned is respected, and not to share the videos of the child as well as any names or anything concerned to this particular incident till we do our job. And we assure you that we are doing on the right path to ensure that the justice is served. Thank you. So as far as this particular information is concerned, we are still inquiring. So what made the delay in reporting? Because if any crime occurs, it is the duty of the village as well as the public to inform as soon as possible so police can act on time. So it is not that only when a video goes viral we inform police. It's as soon as you hear something, even if it is might be true or not true, but it is up to police to verify that fact. But we request that any information on any kind of crime or any info should be immediately reported to the police, so at least we can act on time and save lives. It is not just about taking action or not, but it's about saving life immediately. So as far as this particular information, we will verify, and if found to be true, then we will take the concerned people also as per law. So as far as this, so we say that the children in the school have acted in the right manner because it is about immediately saving a life, and they have immediately reacted without even thinking whether it is legal or illegal. So I would like to appreciate the children and the people who are involved in rescuing the newborn baby, because that is the right thing they did. Because if we wait for instructions, we call this as good Samaritans. So anyone is trouble, you need to immediately help them. Then think about law. So whatever I've seen, the children have done a very good job, and from our side also we will plan to give some appreciation certificates for the children. However, regarding the video is concerned, so it is only about if they have taken it for a purpose of helping us get the evidence, it's a different issue. But as it's a child, we should ensure to respect the privacy, and we request that whoever is having the video should not circulate it without meant by protecting the privacy of the particular child also.
Oh.
Basically, if any public or anyone finds such things, immediately report to the police. So because it is a scene of crime. However, do not delay in rescuing. If it is possible, law itself provides avenues as good Samaritans to rescue anyone in problem immediately. However, investigation starts later on. So we should not wait for police to arrive also. If something happened in front of you, you can immediately go ahead and rescue life and save life. And because sometimes police might take 10 minutes, or it may take 1 hour to come reach the spot if it is a village far away area. So that doesn't mean you should wait for police. And if the hospital is nearby, you call the concerned hospital. But however, if you are able to help someone, immediately help someone. You should not delay. You see, we have different social welfare department, child welfare department and police. We act in tandem. So if anyone is in trouble or if they are facing any issues, I request that they should not take such decisions, and they should feel to approach authorities. We have one-stop centers for counselings. Government is always there to help who are vulnerable and who are facing some issues. And it is requested that instead of taking law into own hands, there are much more avenues for seeking help, and we are definitely willing to help. If you are not comfortable with police, definitely social welfare department is there. We have officers concerned in all districts, and they can approach if they're facing any kind of mental or social issues. We are always there to help, so that wrong decisions are not taken. So that is my request, to people.
Okay.